with another video. And for today's video, I will be sharing with you my thoughts about going or not going with agency as a virtual assistant. So, ayun na nga, ang daming nagtatanong sa akin the past few months na, yun nga, they want to switch from their corporate to being a virtual assistant. What's my thoughts? Where can they start? And should they go with an agency or not? So, I would be giving you some pointers to ask yourself para malaman mo if gusto mo ba talagang mag-go with an agency or not. So, the first one would be, gusto mo ba na merong point of contact yung client mo? Meaning, hindi directly talking to you. And what do I mean by not directly talking to you? Ibig sabihin, anything na outside your job scope, ganyan, or, you know, yung payroll, or kaya naman, if meron silang concern regarding your performance, they would have someone to contact or to talk to. And hindi siya directly sa'yo. Kung ayaw mo ng ganon and gusto mo na ikaw mismo yung kausap ng client, gusto mo ikaw yung mismong katransact ng client, then probably going with direct clients is a much better option for you rather than going with an agency. Second would be, gusto mo ba na mas mabilis yung process ng paghanap ng clients? So, this is not the case for every agency, pero most of the time kasi agencies have their tie-up companies na. And the reason why most of the time I am actually pushing my friends or anyone na nagtatanong sa akin to go with an agency first is because sa panahon kasi ngayon, medyo mahirap na humanap ng direct client if you don't have any background with doing virtual assistant. Kasi very saturated na yung market, and syempre, you're competing. Kahit ako mismo, sometimes it's still hard for me to get a direct client. And yun nga, kung ako na meron ng experience for how many years, medyo hirap pa. And I'm not saying na this is the case every time. Pero most of the time, ganun yung nangyayari. Kasi syempre, direct clients would want to have a virtual assistant na meron ng experience talaga. So, syempre, kung wala pa and gusto mo lang magamay muna kung paano ba nag-work yung pagiging virtual assistant and such, then go with agency. And the third one would be, are you okay na merong kaltas yung salary mo? And what do I mean by kaltas? It doesn't necessarily mean kaltas for the government mandated na mga SSS, pag-ibig, ganyan. You have to keep in mind na walang ganun for virtual assistants. And yung sinasabi ko na merong makakaltas sa'yo is because most agencies, or if not lahat, is meron talaga silang part doon sa binabayad ni client. So, let's say your client is paying the agency $10 per hour. Most of the time, $3 to $5 of that would go sa agency, and then $5 lang yung sa'yo. Pero, yung sa contract na pipirmahan mo, stated doon na, yun nga, per hour mo is $5 lang or $7. Tapos, kung hindi ka okay sa ganon, then, go direct. The fourth one, or is it the fourth one? Anyway, would be, yun nga, gusto mo ba na meron kang nakukuhang government mandated, merong hulog sa mga SSS mo and such, or you want na lahat talaga sa'yo napupunta. And also, gusto mo ba na may 13th month or merong provided na equipment? And quick disclaimer, this doesn't apply to all agencies here in the Philippines. May ilan lang na agencies na nagpo-provide ng mga government mandated as well as 13th month and also ng equipment. Pero most of the time talaga, if mag-virtual assistant ka, you have to do everything on your own. So, you have to buy your own equipments. Swerte ka kung si client mabait, and then padalhan ka or bigyan ka ng pera na para mag-upgrade ng mga gamit mo. And also, you have to do yung mga government mandated as voluntary. And sometimes, yun yung ayaw ng iba kasi nga, syempre, kung voluntary, shoulder mo lahat. And that means, mas mabigat yung, or mas malaki yung ilalabas mong pera. And also, kung gusto mo na may HMO, so, most of the time, kailangan ikaw talaga yung hahanap nun or mag-a-avail nun for yourself kasi bihira yung agency na nag-offer nun. So, what are my thoughts on that? Lagi ko naman kasing sinasabi sa mga friends ko or to anyone who's asking me na kung first time mo and gusto mo lang talaga magamay, go with an agency. Not only because it would be much easier for you to find a client, but at the same time kasi, pag nawala si client, nilet go ka ni client, let's say hindi ka na kailangan, meron ka kaagad mahahanap na client kasi nga may tie-up na si agency so hindi na sila mahihirapan na ihanap ka ng bagong client. At the same time, syempre, alam na nila yung skills mo. So, alam na nila kung kaninong client ka or sino yung client na yung specific skills na meron ka, yung hinahanap din. And kung gusto mo naman mag-direct, I would suggest na make sure na yung mahahanap mo is legit. Kasi ang dami na rin ngayong scammers, even sa ibang platforms na dati naman talagang legit for VAs and freelancer. And at the same time, pagka kasi, for me, yung pag-go with an agency, it's much more on the security side. Kasi syempre, I don't have to worry na legit ba to? Sure, how sure am I that I would be paid for what I'm working for? So, yung mga ganun lang naman, yung you should keep in mind whenever you are trying to find or you're trying to weigh down kung mag-go ka ba with an agency or not. And, yeah. If you have any questions or you want some clarification or kung gusto nyo ng list of agencies, I actually plan to do one and I am still trying to finish the research for that kasi I know a lot and I've tried submitting applications for some of them so I can share my experience then. And aside from that, if you have yun nga, questions, clarifications, or you need help in general, especially right now, kung naghahanap kayo ng work as a virtual assistant, I would be very much happy to help you. Just message me on Instagram or on Facebook and I would answer you. And yeah, that would be all for today and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!